Good morning, folks. Chef Kazi here. Today I'm going to cook some Desi food. So nobody's home, I'm alone. So before they come, let's prepare some meal. So what I did today, I went to the butcher store and I got some veal with the bone. And so I'm going to make veal Qurma and plain pulao, not actually, plain will be pilaf rice with lemon oregano pilaf rice and some vegetable. Okay, let me show you. So I went to the local store. Look at this here, $7.89 per pound is the veal shoulder with bone. Okay, it costs $75.19. Oh, here you go, some receipt. Beautiful. He put in the portion too. Excellent. So let's cook one portion only. This guy. Look, this is not like a grated meat, so I have to wash it. And to wash meat, what I do, I put normal lukewarm water. I put the meat inside the water and I put some salt and white vinegar. Leave it for 10 minutes and then I rinse the water and I put some all-purpose flour and rinse again. That's how I sanitize my meat. One table white salt, that's all I use for to cleaning purpose. 1 teaspoon is fine. So I leave this one for 10 minutes. Then we'll be back. So here is your 3 pots. This one going for the meat, this for the vegetable, and this will be for the rice. Beautiful. You see my all vegetable is cut. Teaspoon each. This is the coriander powder, roasted cumin, chili powder, garam masala, and turmeric, crusted garlic and ginger. Now dry, I have a 2 dry chili pepper. This is the curry leaf, bay leaves, 1 black cardamom, cloves, and what else? That's it. Now is my friend, this is his olive oil from Greece, Rivo. So he gave me one. Let's try this one. Some pink salt and mix them up, my friend. Now I'm going to wash this one and bring it back. So lentil, hot water, around half a liter. little more. Beautiful. For the rice, I have this boiled basmati rice, 2 cups. Let's soak the rice with hot water. For 15 to 20 minutes. Go back to the meat. Flour 1 teaspoon. Sunflower oil. Ginger, garlic. Turmeric, chili powder, coriander powder, garam masala, roasted jeera. It's very common thing. Meat is going now. Three tablespoons of yogurt. Pink salt. Half a liter of the water. Excellent. So this one I'm going to put outside is my electric pressure cooker. I put 10 of this and 2 of this. So let's go for the rice. So for rice, olive oil, make sure. Beautiful. Beautiful. Excellent. This for the vegetable. I mix 6 different kind of spice here. This will know if you are West Indies or East Indian from Bengal, Bihar. Is very common for us. There's 5 different spice here. We call Pach Foron. Excellent. Beautiful. Excellent. This is a cayenne pepper. Smoked paprika. Okay, and this one here, I got dry methi, the kasundi. Greek they use oregano, Indian we use kasundi, right? And then I need a mustard oil, but I don't have it, so I can use the extra virgin olive oil. Excellent. Now, you see this vegetable, the way I prepare, this called sabji in India, and especially in Bengal, is northeast part, Assam, Orissa, Bihar. This sabji goes with rice, with a chapati, roti, pita bread, or you can just eat like a soup, squeeze some lemon. That's all you need. Voila. So this vegetable is done, my friend. Look at how it look. Well, food is food. You don't have to be, if I make oriental food, you don't have to be oriental person to eat. You can try, same like this. Beautiful. So these are the fried onions. Excellent. Beautiful, isn't it? So folks, I did sabji or vegetable and rice. Two items done. Beef is still cooking outside, another half an hour. So what I do in the meantime, right now is 2:10 p.m. Look what I did. Little sabji and rice. Pure vegan, vegetarian. I do love meat, but meat is not cooked yet. It's not ready. So I can have my lunch, and then I can clean up the kitchen, and then I do something else, right? So I'll show you when the beef is ready. But in the meantime, if you like the video, what I did, please thumbs up, like it, and if you can subscribe the channel if you didn't yet, that will be big thing for me. Only without you I cannot grow. I escaped for a month. I was too busy at work and I was doing something, so I had no chance to upload any video. Plus I reached 70. Yes, my friend, you heard right. 9th of April, that was my birthday. 70, big 70. I can upload little clip what my kids did for me, okay, in this same video. Okay folks, so take care. Love you all. Have a safe day. Beautiful. It's done. The best.